Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase the text size in WhatsApp on your iPhone. If you want to make the text larger in WhatsApp, let me assure you, it's a very easy process. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Control Center. Once you're in the Control Center settings, scroll all the way down to the More Controls section. You'll see an option for text size. Tap the green plus plus button next to it to add it to your Control Center. If you've already added it, you can skip this step. Now, open WhatsApp. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, or up depending on your iPhone model, to access the Control Center. Tap the text size icon. You'll see two options, All Apps and WhatsApp Only. Select WhatsApp Only. Then, adjust the slider to increase the text size. For example, I'll set it to 190%. As you can see, the text in WhatsApp is now larger. If 190% feels too big, you can reduce it. Let's try 180%, which looks better. This change will only affect WhatsApp unless you choose all apps. To revert to the default text size, go back to the Control Center, tap the text size icon, and drag the slider down to the original size. As you can see, it's a very easy and straightforward process. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this.